Let's directly start the video without any mumbling because everyone knows the benefits of aloe vera for hair, but how I use it to get rid of my dryness and promotes hair growth. Let's see. First I cut the aloe vera leaf, and if you say you can use aloe vera gel from market, no you can't. Washing aloe vera is necessary to remove lactose from it. Now cut the aloe vera side part like this and cut in the square shape just like this, and cut it in the middle and scratch all the gel you can get from it with the spoon. Just like it, aloe vera gel is ready to use. Now first I'm detangling my hair because it's so important. If you don't detangle your hair, it will not spread evenly all over your hair. And after that I am just spraying some bit of water to get moisturizer lock into my hair with aloe vera gel. Applying aloe vera gel is a really big task because look at this nut texture, but if you applying aloe vera gel, make sure it will you will apply in front of your sink. If it fall out, just directly fall out into the sink. So just look at that, spread evenly as much as you can. Now again I'm combing my hair to aloe vera gel spread evenly all of my hair. Now I'm making the bun of my hair and leave it for 1 hour, and after that I will wash my hair. Now look at this my washed hair. I just wait and look at this curliness. I just love it. And this is my 90% dry hair. Look at this curls. I didn't did any blow dry or just did anything, nothing at all. I just did air dry it, and just look at this curls. I am in love with that. It just provide me so moisture into my hair that I love this routine. I love this hair wash routine. Look at this curls now. It looks so pretty as you can see. Now if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. I will happy if you subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay glam, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.